Here is a review of the 3 best-selling Ring Video Doorbells on Amazon, where their features are compared: Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, Ring Video Doorbell 4, and Ring Video Doorbell Wired. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is the best-selling Ring Video Doorbell, and for good reason. It offers the best combination of features and performance of any Ring Video Doorbell. The Pro 2 has a 4K camera with HDR, which provides clear and detailed video, even in low light. It also has a 160-degree field of view, so you can see a wide area around your door. The Pro 2 also has a number of other features that make it a great choice for a video doorbell, including 1. Two-way talk with noise cancellation. 2. Pre-roll video recording. 3. Advanced motion detection. 4. Customizable privacy zones. 5. Quick replies and Alexa greetings. 6. Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. Regarding the Ring Video Doorbell 4, it is another excellent option for a video doorbell. It offers many of the same features as the Pro 2, but at a lower price. Ring Video Doorbell 4 has a 1080p camera with HDR, a 160-degree field of view, two-way talk with noise cancellation, and pre-roll video recording. It also has advanced motion detection and customizable privacy zones. On the other hand, the Ring Video Doorbell Wired is the most affordable Ring Video Doorbell. It doesn't have as many features as the Pro 2 or the 4, but it still offers a great value for the money. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired has a 1080p camera, a 160-degree field of view, and two-way talk. It also has advanced motion detection and customizable privacy zones. This is a comparison between the 3 models in terms of camera resolution, field of view, two-way communication, pre-roll video recording, advanced motion detection, customizable privacy zones, compatibility with Alexa/Google, and price. Which Ring Video Doorbell is right for you? The best Ring Video Doorbell for you will depend on your budget and your needs. If you're looking for the best possible video quality and features, then the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is the best option. If you're on a tighter budget, then the Ring Video Doorbell 4 or the Ring Video Doorbell Wired are still great options. Here is a summary of which Ring Video Doorbell is right for you, depending on your needs. Best video quality and features, Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Best value for the money, Ring Video Doorbell 4. Most affordable option, Ring Video Doorbell Wired. No matter which Ring Video Doorbell you choose, you're sure to get a great product. Ring Video Doorbells are known for their high quality, ease of use, and reliable performance. In the description of this video, you can find the Amazon link to buy the Ring Video Doorbell that best suits your needs. Domotic Freak.